I ain't got a cap. These little niggas know me. Tryna give me some change like Booker T. They on that Booker. I think they the.
Alright, y'all. Hopefully it's clear. But I got these silver stars. And these what I'm gonna be installing today. I got the brighter joints. Because the stock ones are terrible. Alright, so first thing you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna wanna take this piece out. You gotta take that piece out. What I need though. Yeah. There you go. Bam. Let me see where that thing goes. So that'll fit. Wait. Okay. Make sure you find somewhere safe to put this joint at, man. And then you gotta take the cold air intake out. So it's 1, 2, 3 screws right here. You just, matter of fact, you might not even, no, you ain't even gotta take that out. Nope, I lied. All you gotta do is just take that mug out. And it's normally gonna be a cap like this on here for chargers. I'm speaking for chargers. It's gonna be a cap that's gonna go on here. You just pop the cap off. Pop the cap off. Put that joint there. Oh, mine already. I forgot I already took it out already. Yep, and you just take this joint out. Don't break your bulbs, because I almost just broke this motherfucker. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put it to where y'all can see. Yeah, see, it just go in there. You see this thing right here? It just go into this thing right here. Okay, just like that. Boom. Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna have to take y'all off because I can't do it with this head strap. Hold on. Okay. So you're gonna just put it back in here. You're gonna connect this piece. And it's apart. You just put it back in the hole right there. I'm trying to get this phone to sit up right. It's hard to do with the phone. Well, you're just gonna put this in there and get it in there. Alright, y'all, so I got it in there. And when you put it in there, you just gotta fit it in there and you turn it. You turn it just a little bit. Just turn it clockwise and it'll go straight in there. And only one bulb went out, but shit, I might as well get them both out the way. install this other one too. So it's basically the same thing. It's tough having big ass hands. Yeah, there we go. I'm getting it. Damn. Alright, y'all, so with this, you just twist it, and it'll come right out. And then, you see this right here? You gotta lift this part up. It's like a little, and then you just pull it apart. Hold on, let me see. You just pull it out. Boom. And your light out. This one's still good, so I'm just gonna put this one up. And then you just reconnect it. It was harder to do on the other side because it ain't that much space, but and then you just grab it. Make sure it's clip on. You hear the snap? And then you just put it back in there. Make sure you put it in there the right way. There you go. Okay. And this one. Damn, these big fuck. I don't even got it in there. The right thing there. And then that shit tricky because you gotta find that damn. Here. Okay, there it go. There it go. And it's in there. You can see it's in there. Take the joint. I don't know if Challenger is the same, but shit, I got a Charger, so I don't give a damn. There you go, right there. Twist that mug on. Did I put this one on? Nope. So I just put it on. Twist it on. And then you just put your air intake back in there. I couldn't find none of my power tools, so. Twist it like that for a minute. There you go. And just like that, y'all, I don't know if y'all can see that one. They both on. And that's how you swap out your batteries on the Dodge Charger.